Repeat after me. Say astronaut.
Astronaut.
Apple.
Apple.
Apple. Now, what sound is this? This is astronaut. Well done. What is this? Say
Mouse.
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 Look at this. Mountain.
Mountain.
Well done. Mountain. Good. The letter sound Can you say m?
Moon.
What sound is this?
M.
And if I blend it, say
M.
M. What about this one? What if I blend it this way? What sound? Ma. Meaning? Ma. Exactly. Ma. Well done. I'm gonna show you something else. What is this?
Sun.
Sun. Say sun. Look. What is this? Say Well done. What is this?
Dog.
Dog. Say dog.
The dog.
What about this one? It's dinosaur. Repeat after me. Say
The dinosaur.
the dinosaur. This is letter sound d. Okay, now let's revise. This one is
Train.
Train.
I want to
Okay.
spy with my eye. A train.
A train. The tower. Say it.
The tower.
Tower. And this is letter sound
Train.
Well done. You did so well. Okay. What letter sound is this? Okay. Can you find this M here? Which one is it? Can you find that A here? Which one is it? That one. Read what you see. M and? And if you blend it, what have you got?
Ma.
Okay, but what if I add... What is this? So if I blend... So how do I read this? Let's read all this. What is it? So what is it?
Cover.
In English.
Cover.
No, say it in English.
Mat.
Say it once again. Mat. Well done. Now can you write the word mat there? So what word do you have?
Mat.
Great. Now can you write mat with these letters? What word is this?
Mat.
Okay. What if I do this?
Messy.
What if I do this? What word do you have? This is not to. So what do you have? Sam. Great job. What about this one? No, this is... What sound is this again? D. So what's the word? Say it.
Sad.
D.
Sad.
Sad. Say it.
Sad.
Sad. That's right. Good. What about
E.
this one?
E.
S.
A. T.
What do you have?
S.
What is it?
A.
Sad.
Sad.
Sad. What if I remove the S? What about now? What do you have now? How do you read this word, please?
A.
At. That's right.
Can you
Great
give me the
job.
phone? A. T.
Meaning?
Sad.
Good. And this one is?
Sad.
Good. And this one is?
Do a.
No, it's the other way.
A.
Meaning?
A.
Great job. And this one is?
M. A. Do.
Meaning?
Mad.
Great. And this one is?
M. A. T. Mat.
Mad. And which one did you write? Which of these words did you write here? Did you write this word? No? This word? Show me with your finger. Exactly. What word is that?
Mad.
Mad. That's right. Great job. Give me first.
Can you give me the phone? Please.
Oh. Are you negotiating with me?